Hello there, my name is Linda, also known as Tortagialla around the internet. I love creative journaling and all things stationery. And today I'm sharing a peek into Decorative Knots, issue 3 of my digital zine called Pensieri. It's all about using string and rope to tie up into really cool looking decorative knots that can be used for bookmarks and decorations. It's just fascinating to me that a long piece of string can suddenly be transformed into something really intricate and beautiful. So, FYI, my series of artsy zines were handmade zines years ago, but I have since digitized all 9 issues, and you can find them for instant download in my Ko-fi shop. I'm making a video for each issue so you can take a peek inside and see what it's all about. So, issue 3 is all about decorative knots. Let's scroll through the pages of the zine PDF so you can take a closer look. I basically start off explaining how I was introduced to decorative knots in the first place. It was way back in my early teens in Chinese school when a teacher taught us how to tie like a few patterns. I was definitely hooked, and I have always enjoyed like the art form. It's almost like macrame and really just similar to like knitting and crocheting, transforming like a piece of string into something beautiful. So throughout the zine, I basically go through the common like famous knots and how to tie them. I try to make the zine really helpful in providing like diagrams and examples on how to lay out your rope and tie the particular knot. And there are many examples and types of knots that you will learn going through this zine. And I definitely have my favorites, but of course you can like combine, mix and match, and put the knots sort of together to make like a very unique piece at the end. And I go through project ideas and I offer resources at the end as well if you want to continue onward to this adventure of knotting. So it's really like a hands-on kind of issue where you want some like string on hand so you can read through and actually craft along. Again, if you are interested in this artsy decorative knots issue, you can find this digital zine for instant download in my Ko-fi shop. And whether you buy a copy or not, I just hope that by sharing a preview into this issue about decorative knots, it perhaps have sparked a little bit of creativity in you. Maybe you want to go do some research and create something and have some fun making decorative knots. So let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. And if you didn't already know, I am a graphic designer. I design digital printables for download. I'm building my community on Ko-fi. You can support me there by signing up for the membership and getting printable downloads in the feed. Or you can just drop a one-time tip. I post there every Friday, so you can check out the link in the description if you are interested. I also have a blog at tortagialla.com, and I've been posting free digital downloads there for years and years. So go check it out and download some free digital papers to try out and use in your journaling. I really appreciate you watching and supporting me here. Thank you again, and until next time, bye.